Hi guys, I wanted to show you what I was looking at today. I'm looking up Temu's website to see what good deals I can find. They have free shipping and free returns up to 90 days. The first thing I found that intrigued me was the sock dispenser. I think this would be a great idea to have in a closet. The best thing I could think of is if you're a person that buys only one kind of sock, you wouldn't even have to fold these up, just stick them in and you can just grab your socks as you need them. The next thing I found intriguing was this makeup kit holder. And I like it because you can see right through it and see what you have in there. But at the same time, it will keep the dust and stuff out of it. This is a really great price for under the cupboard motion sensor lights. These would be great for, like I said, under the cupboards or up under cabinets and stuff. Whenever you walk past, it will light up. Here's another item that I've been looking for, is a mini fridge for me to actually keep in my bathroom to put my face masks and facial products in to cool them off. Another great item that's at a really cheap price is these bamboo jewelry organizers. These would be great to keep inside a vanity. Another great item is this clothes organizer, which I think would be great if you'd keep it inside of a dresser drawer to help organize your clothes that way. I also like these labels. I've purchased these before on Amazon, but they were a lot more expensive than what you can get here. You get a lot more labels for the price. Another item are these pantry organizers. These are great to go inside of a pantry or in cupboard shelves. This Lazy Susan is adorable. I think this would actually work well inside of a bathroom for decor to keep your makeup and stuff in. Another thing that I bought in the past are these bamboo separators for in your drawer. And once again, when I bought them in the past, they were more expensive. So this is definitely a good deal. Now this is an amazing deal. This food saver. And this would really come in handy so that you save your food from getting freezer burnt in your freezer. I use a food saver quite often to keep our food fresh. Another great food item is these clips that will hold your food tight and acts like it is completely sealed for your chips and other bag products like that. If you know me, I love novelty items, so these chip clips in the shape of an actual chip are great, and it comes with both the ruffled and the Dorito chips. Another thing I find that would be quite handy is this expandable strainer, so it can fit right in your sink perfectly and it will not touch the bottom of your sink. Another thing that I actually like using are refrigerator liners, and these ones are at a decent price and it makes it easier to clean up your fridge. Another popular thing I've been seeing are these silverware organizers, and I'd really like to get one of these to see how well they work, because I think it would simplify in a drawer a lot better. And to go with that, they also have a knife organizer as well, so I think if you put those in a drawer together, it would look really good. Another simple thing that I like is storing my onions in a bag, and this bag is specifically made for that, so I think that's a really good idea, and you can put them inside of the pantry so that your onions can stay cool in a dry spot like they're supposed to be. This item intrigues me. I'd like to try it out. It's this neck pillow, and like I said, if I do end up getting it and I don't like it, returns are free, so it's worth at least giving it a try. Now these shoe bags would be something I could use if I'm traveling, or if my boys have gym class and they have to take separate pair of shoes to keep the bottom gunk on their shoes off of the rest of their clothing. I also like this makeup bag. It looks like it could actually hold a lot of items. Now this organizer I absolutely have to have. It's for on top of your visor in a car, and it looks like it would hold a lot of items to keep the clutter away. Now this item I just had to show you. It is a Kleenex holder in the shape of a pig face that goes on the back of your car seat. I don't know how actually useful or organized it would be, but I think you guys would enjoy that. Now, the last item I wanted to show you is the spice rack, and I think it's amazing.
Thank you for watching my mom, the Organized Mom.